Happy Friday, everyone. Today is going to be a busy day here at the Buzz. From a SAPIN point of view, we are busy hiring admin assistants, so we have quite a few interviews in the office today. In fact, the lady is busy doing a test for us right now. We've also got the youth program happening, so I've got a whole bunch of youngsters from 18 years old to maybe 30, and they've all got business ideas. So they're going to pitch their business ideas to me between 10 and 12. We've got more interviews in the afternoon. I've also got the rugby club. So the Springboks are playing tomorrow, and we have got the rugby club. So I've got to go set up the speakers, the sound, the internet. We've got the warrior race training happening in the morning tomorrow at the Edenvale Rugby Club. And of course, we've still got this renovation happening. As you can see, scaffolding is still up. Let's see what's happening in this room. Morning, gents. Say hello to everyone. There we go. What's your plan for today?
No, we're plumbers.
You plumbers, eh?
Yes.
What you putting in today?
They'll need to put the pipes
Putting the pipes in.
for the bathroom. For this
Okay.
shower,
So
buy some toilet rolls.
putting the pipe work in.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well done, guys.
Thanks.
So let's go through here and see what's happening on the other side of the Buzz. So this is the renovation happening. I'm going to duck under here. Yo. So yeah, we've got rugby stuff happening. We've got the Buzz. We've got the cleaners here. Say hello. There we go. Cleaners busy cleaning our office for the interviews. Got people arriving here. Busy day at the Buzz. So let's see. Say hello. Hi. There you are. So that's Palesa working with Michelina, also going to be one of the interviewees for the job. So yeah, that's our summary for Friday. Stay tuned. There's a lot happening. I'll post more information about the warrior race and all the training videos in the morning tomorrow. See you guys soon.